The legend, Brook Berini.
Hi,
Stock turbo record. Hey, come here.
What?
Are you going 8s today?
I fucking hope so, dude.
What do you mean you hope so?
No,
you
we
either
are.
going or you not.
We are.
Are you going? All right, that's what I want to hear. High five. Good luck. Get it.
Thank you.
All right. By the way, say hello. We got a bunch of people watching you. You're live.
Hi. Oh, this is live.
This is
I
live.
shouldn't have been cursing then.
We're here.
I gotta say it in Spanish.
Say it in Spanish. Yeah, that's right.
Pendejo.
Aha.
I got one.
Yeah.
You're better than number.
Turbo, 8 seconds. Woo! That's an 8-second run on stock turbos, man. That's crazy. Stock turbos. That's insane. Went crazy with that. Congratulations,
Thank you, I
Brook.
appreciate
You
it.
did it.
First
You
stock
said you
turbo
would do it.
GTR in the 8s. We said we
First
were gonna
stock
do it.
turbo GTRs in the 8.
Yep.
Can you believe that?
I'm so excited.
I would never
worked
believe that if
so-
somebody told me.
We worked so hard for this. I mean, like putting the car together within 2 months and like really trying to make it competitive for this class. Like we just killed it.
That's
Yeah.
crazy. And you say you were gonna do
I
it.
told you we were gonna do it.
I told you to say you were gonna
I
do
told
it.
you we were gonna do it. I didn't know it'd be this early, so I'm really excited.
Congratulations. Great job. Great
Thank
job.
you.
Great job. Say hello to everybody on YouTube.
Hi.
You're live.
Thanks.
Live. Going for it. Let's get it. Whoa!
Shit!
Oh man. Wow. Reset. Again. She resets the record again. 890. Better than before.